Welcome to MBBS Council. We provide MBBS admission counseling guidance for students and parents. You would have watched many videos related to NEET 2020 choice filling and how to go about it. Probably many of you might have finished your choice filling, but still wondering whether your choices are correct. In this video, we will see different ways generally students or parents do choice filling and which method is the correct way to choose best medical college. This will help you to get the best medical college for your NEET score. Medical Counseling Committee conducts All India Quota Counseling for 238 government medical colleges in India. It also conducts counseling for 46 deemed universities and 21 central government run institutions. It is difficult to know information about all these medical colleges. If we have to do that, then we need to go to each and every college website and gather information, which is not possible within this short span of time. The easiest way is to put all the medical colleges in the choice filling and see if you get any college. The problem with this approach is that you might be allotted college which charge high tuition fees when your score is sufficient enough for low fees medical colleges. Another problem with this approach is that if you have put low quality medical colleges at the top of your preference list, you will be allotted that college even though you have sufficient score to get top medical colleges. So both are not the right approaches. We need to get the college list sorted based on the tuition fees so that we can pick low fees medical colleges and put in the choice filling list. You can use college ranking facility available in MBBS Council app to get this list. Another thing is that you need to know the quality of the medical college. The simplest way to know the quality of medical college is to search in Google or YouTube about top 25 medical colleges in India and include that at the top of your option list. This is again not the right approach. Many students use age of the college and total MBBS seats in the college to judge the quality of the medical college. Even though this is a good starting point to analyze the medical college quality, it is not enough. When it comes to medical education, the most important factor which decides whether you get medical license to become a doctor or not is the clinical experience you get during the study. This can be judged using the number of patients visiting the hospital per day and total beds available in the college affiliated hospital. Medical education do not stop at the UG level. You need to do PG to have a successful career. If you have PG students in your college, it will not only help you during clinical practice, it will also help you to get guidance for NEET PG preparation as well. You might think that with the help of MBBS Council app, college ranking facility, you can do the choice filling in the correct way. Hold on. There is one another important thing which you need to keep in mind during choice filling. That is the location of the medical college. The best strategy for choice filling is to put top colleges in Delhi first. Then top colleges within your state at the top of your list. Then put colleges in your nearby state. Then fill in rest of the colleges in your state. Then move to remaining colleges in nearby states. If you are on the borderline, say All India rank 14,000 for unreserved category, then you can put in colleges which are far away or high fees colleges if you are ready to trade off quality of clinical experience for tuition fees. We recommend students to take state government quota in private colleges for students in borderline. In states like Kerala, Karnataka, if they can afford, as it is worth it. In fact, last year students have joined PSG Medical College at rupees 4 lakhs per year tuition fees, leaving government college which is just rupees 13,810 per year. If you have any doubts regarding MBBS admission counseling, ask them in the comment section below. See you in the next video.